Time for a new premium set, the Hot Wheels Speed Machines. So hello and welcome back. Now no, I'm not just reviewing the two. We have here, in some bubble wrap, hopefully the rest of the set. Yeah, I ordered the set online because I didn't expect to actually see it in stores. Just as well I did really, because Smith's Toys did not prevail. They didn't quite have the full set. There was actually enough there to make most of the set. Unfortunately, the Porsche was missing, so I couldn't have made a full set anyway. And to be fair, this car here, I think, was left because it's suffered some damage to the packaging. But it's fine, because we will be opening them two up shortly. So in here, wrapped up, is the rest of the set. Unfortunately, to everyone's disappointment, no chase. Well, actually, mostly to my disappointment. The bloke does not ship out the random boxes anymore. If any arrives, he takes the chases out and sells them separately. And to be fair, honestly can't blame him. I mean, the chases seem to sell for crazy money, so I don't blame him for doing that one bit. Right, so there are the cars. Oh, that's like shipping information. Got to say, as always, well packaged. They come in another cardboard box with even more packaging and cardboard to keep them solid, so can't complain there. It's all in great condition. So, what we got? Well, there's the Huayra and Veneno, looking very nice. More packaging, and there it is, the Porsche. So there was none of that on the pegs at Smith's. And of course, the black variation of this is the chase car, the 0 out of 5. So congratulations if you found that. Quickly now, let me know down below if you've seen that or got it yourself, because the last chase in the drag strip Demon didn't seem to be quite as rare. There was a lot more of it, and actually it sells cheaper online as well. So clearly more people managed to find that. So let me know if the rarity has gone back up for these, or whether they're still actually findable. Like I say, I'll keep an eye out, but I'm not really holding out on it, to be honest. But I say, this is a very cool looking set. So yeah, 1 out of 5. Let's try and get these in some sort of order now. Or should we just go for it? Let's just do it. Let's just go for it and do it. So, whoops. Starting off, we obviously have this Porsche, which I've just been showing you. 75 years of Porsche. We've got 60 on there. You can collect them all. Can I? Can I really? Because I'm pretty sure I can't find the black one, because scalpers exist. The geese are interrupting you. I mean, at least, I guess they don't actually show the chase, so if you don't know about it, you don't know. But I mean, for us collectors who do know about it, we now feel like the set is incomplete. At least I do. But yeah, this is very nice looking, actually. You've seen the card arts. Let's have a look at the car. Got lensed headlights, which is awesome. All the badges. 60 on the side. The gold wheels. And on the back there, rear light details. Nice rear wing. Very, very cool. Got to say, I can sort of see why there weren't any of these. These are very, very awesome. I do actually wonder whether there were chases there that weren't there anymore. But obviously, we will never know. So let's put that at the back. Car number 2 is the McLaren 720S. There were plenty of these left on the pegs. In fact, by the looks of it, I think they'd actually stocked a few of these sets, or at least 2 or 3 of them, if not more. Whether they have more of this in each set, I don't actually know. So maybe there was a chase. Who knows? This has got the same wheels as the Porsche. I've got to say, they're very nice looking wheels. So you've seen the card art. Let's go a bit closer. Again, nice front light details. Possibly even lensed, I can't tell actually. Say very, very nice. Obviously, very nice orange colour. There is the back. Very, very cool. Got to say, it's a shame that I can't buy. I could have actually bought an extra one of these to open, but it just doesn't excite me as much as maybe the Veneno and the Huayra. And of course, they're stupidly expensive now, these things, like ridiculously expensive. So of course, number 5 is the Huayra. Oh, here we go. This is the one I want to open as well. So I bought an extra one of these. I mean, they're like £9 each at the Smiths, so very easy to rack up the money on these things now. Yeah, I'm imagining this was only there because, as I say, it's ripped up there, so possibly why. Hang on. The Porsche has a different... Hey? I'm confused. These are different. Are these American ones? I've only just noticed that. These have a different layout, look. How strange. I can only guess these are American cards. And that these are international. Because this has tons more. Yeah, because this is like the Porsche bit, trademark bit, which is now here. The cars are bigger. There we go. Interesting. So I can only assume these are probably American market and these are international, because these I bought were probably shipped over. And yeah, these two here were the ones I bought in Smith's Toys. Interesting. Different card variations. How interesting. I don't know why that is, but there we are. Weird things, eh? Right, so I don't need that. I'm in a real mess here. I am just all over the place. Forgive me. Let's just shove them to the side. Let's make the one car the highlight. So yeah, I think this wasn't bought because someone's ripped it. I mean, it's worse now. I feel like such a rebel when I do that. It's excellent. Right, let's get rid of all that rubbish and take a look at the Zonda itself. Oh, this is a cool looking supercar. The Zonda R, written on the side, #1. It's got the same wheels again, wow! They really like these wheels. But I've got to say, they do look awesome. They actually fit for all the cars, it seems, as well. Nice front light details. Got your vents and your scoops all over there. Bit of black on the rear spoiler. Again, die-cast metal spoiler, which is very, very nice. Rear light details, got your exhaust at the back, massive rear splitter. Yeah, very nice and grey, with the grey wheels to match. There's the base. That is really, really nice, actually. Do like that. And, of course, finally, 5 out of 5. No, we're not. We're on 4 out of 5. You... Oh. This video is all over the place. 4 out of 5. I've learnt to count. It's only taken me 23 years. I've learnt to count to 4. It's the Ford DT. Again, are they the same bloody wheels? They are. Okay, they have actually used the same wheels on every car in the pack. Just to clarify. So yeah, this is very cool. There's the card art. Very, very nice. Got the #4 on the side. Looks very cool in the black, in the white with the black striping, full headlight details, Ford logo, stripes going over the top and the #4. Got the little American flag there, and on the back, all the rear light details looking awesome. And again, a massive rear spoiler, which I think that one does look like it's plastic. But hey, I'm not opening it, so I won't know. So I don't care. I want a bit more of these in the background, to be honest. There we go. The Zonda can go out to the side because we've already got one of them. And then we'll open. Oh, which one will we open? I'd say, for completeness sake, we'll leave all of those cards together and we'll open the 2 international ones. So yeah, we have the Lamborghini Veneno, #5 out of 5. This looks very cool. Let's open it up. It's done the thing it always does to me. God, it's so embarrassing. I seem to be the only person that has this problem. And then everyone comments, oh, he shouldn't be allowed cardboard boxes. Ooh, he's incompetent. Here we are, the Lamborghini Veneno. In a very nice red, gloss red. All the front light details, all the badging galore. Very, very cool. Got them same wheels again. But doesn't change them. They're still bloody awesome wheels. Got the little flag stripe on the side, very, very nice. There's a bit of, I think that says Veneno on the side of the spoiler there, or the sort of wing that connects to the spoiler. Very, very awesome. Side markers, all they stripes. Not sure what they are around the arches there, but it's detailed nonetheless. And there is the rear of the car. Oh, that looks so cool. This always brings me back memories of using this car in Need for Speed Rivals. Childhood memories. Although it probably wasn't that long ago. Yeah, very cool. I've put them down where you can't see them now. So if I just shift all of them over a little bit, so you get to see them all. Camera mount is failing me again. Oh, I cannot wait to get an actual proper camera mount going. Well, there we are. That is very cool. I say, very nice set. The Speed Machines is pretty cool. Bit more basic on the actual design front on the cards, I must admit. It is a bit like just here's the car and like some generic word font kind of stuff. Art font, I can't think of the term I'm thinking of, but yeah, they're a bit more basic on that front. Less design in them, but I mean, they're still pretty cool. It's the car itself that is the main attention. That is the main part of these cars. I've only just noticed, I think I've realised why the wheels on these are actually plastic. I only noticed it because I moved that. Premium set, but no real riders. Interesting. I've been scammed! We've all been scammed! Because these cost the same amount, but they have worse. They don't have as good wheels. I say the alloys are very nice. I wish Hot Wheels did these kind of wheels more often on their main lines, or actually in these sets, the slightly more expensive sets, these sort of wheels would be good. Yeah, well, they just don't feel the same. They're nice and heavy because they're metal on metal, but they don't feel quite the same without those real riders. In fact, I guess that is just kind of a thing with the Speed Machines, because, I mean, these are quite new to me because I started collecting more recently and never used to find this sort of stuff. So I do think some of the old Speed Machines were similar to this, like had the plastic wheels. I wonder why. It's still pretty cool. I just feel like for the same price as a premium car, which is just slightly nicer because of the real rider wheels, it's a bit sneaky. Yeah, don't know how I feel about that, but I say very cool. The wheels themselves are actually still very cool. The set is amazing, and yeah, can't complain too much really. So unfortunately, I can't show you all the black Porsche chase car. Honestly, I'd love to. I'm going to keep my eyes out just in case I do happen to spot it, but we all know it's quite unlikely, don't we? So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know down below what you think of this set. Have you found it all yourself? Of course, good luck in your peg hunts. Good luck finding that rare chase car. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.